A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to ANB Exam Forum. Student, we have already completed the conceptual classes for set theory, and in today's session we are going to cover previous year questions, okay, topic wise, okay, and all the questions which we are presenting have been asked in various competitive examination like CDS, NDA, FCAT, okay, and all these questions which we are presenting to you, you should always try to solve with us, okay, so that you can also get benefited from them, okay. So without wasting any time, let's begin the session. So as usual, the important subtopic that you should know before going to this particular session. So in the set theory, we have different topics that you need to cover, like what is set and their representation, types of set, operation on set, and the Venn diagrams. The theory portion of all these chapters we have already covered. It is in our playlist, okay, it is in our playlist PYQ series that is known as Destination RRB, okay, it is in our playlist, sorry, it is in our playlist Destination RRB, okay. So coming to the first question, and your time starts now. Let's see who can give the answer. Consider the following statement: set of points on the given line is a finite set, intelligent student in a class is a set, good books in a school library is a set, okay. Which one of the following is or are not a correct, okay. So this question was asked in, I think, CDS and FCAT, and basically there are certain statement regarding the set, okay, so you should tell which of the following is not correct, okay. So for this question you should know the exact definition of set, then only you can give the answer, okay. So set of points on a given line is a finite set, okay. Finite set is one of the type of set, a set which has finite number of elements which you can count, but you know, in a line there are infinite number of points. So in a line, okay, there are infinite number of points, so that set is basically not finite, it would be infinite set, okay. So this is not correct. Coming to the next, intelligent student in a class is a set. Student, in the theory portion I already told you several times that set is a well defined collection of object, okay. Well defined collection of object, what does this mean? Well defined means you should not use the adjective at all, okay. Like intelligent, for some people the person may be intelligent, for other people it can be different one, okay. It is a not objective one, it is a subjective topic. So there is no clear cut definition of intelligence, so you can put in a set. So since it is a not a well defined set, okay, so it will not be called as a set. Again, good is the objective, okay, it is basically adjective word, okay, it is an adjective, and adjective are qualifying in nature, and those are not basically well defined, okay. You cannot define good exactly, which book is good, which book is bad, it varies from person to person, so it is not well defined, therefore it is again not a set, okay. For this particular question all the three are incorrect, okay. The reason I already explained you. Coming to the next question, which of the following is a null set, okay. So these are the four options. Student, as I told you that if you have seen the theory portion, that you can easily appreciate this question because there are certain notations in it. Basically these notations are called what? We have two type of notations. One is the tabular form, okay, other one is a roster form, okay, where you build the set, okay. So I am not going to cover the detail how to represent the set in this particular session, we will focus only on the previous year question, okay. So let's see one by one. A is x is a real number, okay. So the condition is x is a real number such that x is greater than 1 and x is less than 1, Okay, and remember student, there is no real number between 1 and 1. Okay, there is no equal to condition there. Okay, so basically it is not any real number which fits with this condition. Okay, you can think like that, this is x1. Okay, these are less than 1, these are greater than 1, so there is no real number which exists between them, right? So this is basically your null set. Okay, there is no element which satisfy this condition, therefore it is a null set. So option A should be the correct answer. Okay, let's see other how they are not null set. So x is such that x plus 1 is equal to 3. If you solve, you will get x is equal to 3 minus 3 is 0. So you will have one element in this set. This is a singleton set. Okay, this is a singleton set, not the null set. Again, this is a singleton set. Since it is a set which have a null element, so this is again a set, not null set. Coming to this, x is a real number, x is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 1. So 1 is the number which you can represent in this set. So d equal to 1, again this is a singleton set. So option A is the right answer. Okay, let's see the next question. Which of the following you need to tell is the set S? Okay, so just solve it. So x belongs to n, n is what? Natural number. So these notations are very important. We have already seen several notation in our theory video. I again recommend you to watch those video. Okay, so x plus 3 equal to 3. So if you solve it, x is equal to 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3 is what? 0, and 0 does not belongs to the natural number. Okay, so if 0 is not belonging to natural number, so there will not be any element in this particular set. So S set is a null set, right? So option A is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Which of the following is an infinite set? It is a very simple one. Let's make a number line so that you can easily appreciate. X is such that x is a whole number less than 10,000. Okay, so let's see, this is 1000. Okay, this is 0. Okay, so x is a whole number less than 1000. So obviously whole number start from 0 till 1000 you can easily count. Okay, so this is finite set, right? X is a natural number less than 1000. Again, natural number starts with 1 till 1000. Again, you can count, 1000 will be there. Okay, so again, this is a finite set. Let's see the next one. Positive integer less than equal to 1000. Positive is what? Again, 1 is positive, 1 to 1000. Again, this is finite set. Whereas x is integer and less than 1000. Okay, so this is 1000. So all the integers, okay, beyond 0 are negative integers also. Okay, it can go anywhere, so this will become infinite on the other side. So it is a infinite set, infinite. So option D, those who have given, well and good, they are right. Let's see the next question. Which of the following is a correct statement? Okay, student, for this question you need to know the representation. Okay, what does what represent? Okay, so let's see one by one. So x plus 5 equal to 5. Okay, so if you make the set for this particular option, you will have x is equal to 0. So there it is basically a singleton set having 0th element. Okay, they have not specified whether x is a natural number or whole number. You can consider a universal set. Okay, so 0 belong to this particular set, so it is not equal to 5. So this is incorrect. Coming to the next, x plus 5 equal to 5, 0, that's we have already seen, so this is correct one. So option B is the right answer for this question. Let's see next question. So there are two sets basically, A and B. Okay, so you need to basically this is set builder. you need to build the set from this particular condition. So let's build the set. So A is what? A is set of x. X is an odd integer. Okay, odd integers are what? 1, 3, 5, 7. These are odd integers. Okay, I am taking positive one. Okay, negative one are also there because he is talking about integers. Coming to the B, x is such that x, this equation is given. Okay, so basically he is wanting the solution of this particular equation. Okay, so I am not solving this equation. How to solve this? You should know how to solve the quadratic equation. So if you solve it, you will have 2 roots x minus 5 and x minus 3. So 5 3 is 15, so total 15 is there, and if you expand it you will get the same equation. Okay, so there will be 2 elements, 3 and 5. Okay, and as you can see, this set B is basically a subset of A. Okay, so if you see all of these option C, B is subset or equal to A is the right answer. Okay, because 2 elements which are in B are also present in A, so therefore B is subset of A. Okay, so coming to the next question. Student, this type of question very important, where you need to have the solution and make those sets. Okay, so again there is a quadratic equation. So if you solve this quadratic equation, I am not solving this particular question. So the solution of this particular set for the equation would be 4 and 2. 4 and 2 would be the solution. If you put 4 and 2, you will have the RHS side, that is 0. Coming to the B, if you solve it, which is very simple again, if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment box, I will tell you. The answer would be -2 and 1 by 2. Okay, so which of the following is correct? Like A is subset of B? No, because 4 and 2 are not there, so this is not correct. B is subset of A? No, it is not there. Option C, neither A is subset B or B is subset of A, this is correct. So option C is the correct answer, and anyhow A is not equal to B, as you can see. Okay, so option C is the right answer. Student, for all these questions you need to know how to build the set, that is very important. Coming to the last question of today's session. So there are 4 elements. Okay, then what is the number of subset of A with at least 3 elements? Okay, so you need to make the subset with at least 3 elements. At least is the important word, student. Okay, so let's make some subset from these 4 elements. I am not putting braces. Okay, you can put. So first one is 1 2 3. I will write 1 2 3. This is first subset with at least 3 elements are there. Then 1 2 3 is over. Then you can say 1 2 and 4. 1 2 and 4. Next you can consider 2 3 4. 2 3 4. Next you can consider 1 3 4. 1 3 4. Repetition should not be there. Again, ordering is not important in set. And last one is very important. I know most of you will skip this. 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is again a subset with at least 3 elements. So we have 4 elements, no problem. So how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So option C is the right answer. Okay, so that's it. So in this session we have seen 10 questions from the type of set, and this is a part 1. In the upcoming session we are going to see one more session on this types of set, which is very important topic, and the theory portion we have already covered. If you have not watched, you can watch it and come it again. Okay, so thank you for watching, and have a nice day.